Alright, previously we have learned how to design the sheet metal. Now assuming all the design is good, next we can go on for the 2D drawing process. For sheet metal drawing, there can be differences comparing with the common part. Now let's check further. Okay, let's go over the steps to create a sample drawing. First step is we use the flatten after completing the sheet metal design. And the next, we need to create flatten view. And there are two little steps. First one is we need to select the flatten in the view option. And the next one is we need to check the show bend line from sheet metal option. And then we can create the flatten view. And the next step is we can create a folded status here. It's easy to understand. And the last, we can add the necessary dimensions and annotations like here. Okay, this is the steps. Now let's move over to ZW3D to check more details. So now let me show you the steps. First, we use the flatten command to create the flatten. Select the shape and the stationary and then offset value and the direction. And please remember to check on the include flat pattern. Okay, now we get the flat solid and the flat pattern. And the next step, we can go to the 2D sheet. Okay, and then first we need to create the flat view. And in the view tab, we choose the flatten. We can choose the top or bottom. Here we can use the top. And please do not remember to check on this option. It will show the bend line. Okay. And here we can adjust the scale like 1. Okay. Now it seems pretty good. We can adjust the position of the annotation a bit like this. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, and then next we can create an isometric view, which is also the folded status view. Okay, we use the same standard view, and here we choose the isometric. And then we can uncheck the hidden line and click OK. Now this is the result. And finally, we can create some necessary dimensions or annotations. For example, we mark out the maximum dimensions and also the width. Okay. Okay, now we have created a 2D sheet for the sheet metal. Thanks for watching.